Hey guys, what's up? It's Nia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me, and I'm going to share with you guys how I managed to declutter and organize specifically our laundry room. As you can see, it is a hot old mess. Life has caught up with us and we really haven't gotten a chance to take the clothes and actually fold them. So I'm going to start off by adding the laundry that I had in the wash into the dryer and then go through all of the baskets because these clothes are in fact clean, and bring those upstairs so I can fold those later on in the day. And then I did end up having a few clothes that needed to be washed, so I figured why not wash them now while I am cleaning the laundry. Once I cleared everything out, I started by using these vacuum seal bags that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. If you guys missed my favorite Dollar Tree finds, I will leave the link down below in the description bar, so definitely make sure to go check those out. And I'm taking these old couch covers that we had and we actually just threw them into the laundry room, so I'm stuffing those in the bags just to make some more space for other things. And these are old blankets that we had as well, so I'm just trying to add as much into these bags as I possibly can. One of the things that I absolutely love about these bags, besides the fact that they only cost $1, is the fact that they create so much more space for you and really allow you to maximize the space that you do have. They're really simple and easy to use. All you have to do is stuff everything into the bag and then take your vacuum and suction all of the air out and then put the cap right back on. Since we don't use these items too often, I figured the best place to put them is up on top of the shelf. And now I'm just combining all of the different bins that we have and really just start to consolidate everything that we have in the laundry room. Start to throw out things that we don't use or that are old and things that have really just been forgotten. Sometimes our laundry room can really be the place that we dump everything that we don't really want. So that's the reason why I like to kind of just declutter and go through everything and just throw away things that we don't need anymore. Moving things out from underneath the shelf, I'm just going to sweep that area real quick, and now I'm just going to go through all of the shelves in the laundry room. This is where we put some of our extra food and also, of course, some cleaning products as well. I found this old basket, which I figured I can add the extra tissues that we had in there. And it also creates a barrier in between the food that we have with the cleaning products as well. A little fun fact about me is I actually love to declutter and organize things. I like to throw away stuff that we don't need anymore. And to be honest, sometimes I secretly just throw things away without telling anybody because I know that nobody's using it, but they just want to hold on to it for some odd reason. Now I'm going through and just sweeping up everything on the floor. And then we have this small little nook on the side of our washer and dryer. So I'm going through everything there. And we had a couple of old mops that we really don't use anymore. So I decided to get rid of those and also just sweep out that corner. Because we don't have a big laundry room, maximizing space is the #1 thing. So I found this wall mount, I believe at Home Depot. If I can find the link, I will leave it down below in the description bar. And this just helps us store all of our mops and brooms. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video motivated you to clean out a room in your house that really needs to be decluttered and organized. If you enjoy these types of videos, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.